So to get started, we're going to look up OpenAI Developer Playground and come to the OpenAI platform here. You're going to need an account to access this, but I'm already logged in. First off, we're going to come to Dashboard. Then we're going to go to Storage. We're going to use vector stores. Press Create. We'll just name this one Test. And then we will add the files, which I've already just downloaded some random standard legal documents from the web. Attach those. Then we'll copy the ID here. Come back over to Playground. Go to Assistance. Create. We'll call this Test. Now we're going to prompt this as this model will retrieve legal documents from the vector stores and find key parties / personnel and clauses from within those documents. Press Create. And I might just change the model over to 4.1 since it's a little nicer. And turn on file search, or a little bit cheaper, I mean. So it's given us the prompt here, and it's also added in some JSON, which is very nice because all the AI models respond very strongly to anything that contains JSON. It's just a more structured way of, I suppose you call it prompt engineering. So we're going to specify for our file search where to get the files from. Select vector store, and we'll paste in our ID from before. Select. Now, this should be all good. And I'm just going to type in a message. From the vector stores, find me a patent application and tell me what the key parties / information from it are, if there are any. Reason why I say if there are any, it's not necessarily for the clauses, it's for the parties, because since it's just a random document off the internet, I don't think it's going to have any parties listed. So it's given it to us in JSON here, which is nice. And it's also given us the document that it's from, which is accurate. Now, you can further say something like, explain claims based off this document. Now, this part would more so be, I think it would be if you have one of these assistants and you upload a lot of client files to it, and then it's trained off of a specific client, you might be able to, instead of saying, explain claims based off this document, you might be able to say, based off the information you have about my client, try to fill out this document, or give me the necessary information to fill out this patent application. And since it has all the information about your client and other documents that you've done for your client, it should be able to do that quite effectively. So it gives us some general information, including how this one specifically works. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.